Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Member for the question raised before the August House this afternoon. Mr. Speaker, sir, before I provide my parliamentary response this afternoon, please allow me to express my wishes this afternoon. First, I'd like to join the former speakers as well as honourable members that have expressed their best wishes to, first of all, to our Honourable Prime Minister on his special day today, as well as to Honourable Bulitavu on your birthday today. Second, Mr. Speaker, sir,
Are they getting younger?
I also would like to congratulate, express my best wishes to the Fiji rugby team. The captain of the Fiji water flying Fijian is from the province of Serua. So as a neighboring province, I congratulate them for the job well done in their last game against Wales, even though they fell short, but I think they really warmed our hearts after that game. And also wish them the best in their next game against Australia. I know they're going to beat Australia in the second game.
Thank you.
And also thank the members who have also shown the support by placing the Fiji Rugby Union pins, as well as from the municipal councils throughout the country. They've also shown the support by putting up the national flag just to support our national rugby team. Mr. Speaker, sir, the formalization of informal settlement is a crucial endeavor towards achieving sustainable outcomes. It involves improving the living conditions, infrastructure, and services in these settlements to provide the residents with secure and dignified living conditions. Mr. Speaker, sir, currently the Ministry of Housing Informal Settlement Upgrade Program is an in situ capital program focused on improving livelihoods for people living in informal settlements across our nation. Currently, the Ministry has a total of 48 development leases, out of which 44 are located on Tauke land and 4 on state land. These development leases are spread throughout Fiji, with 13 settlements located in the Central Division, 14 settlements in the Northern, and 21 settlements in the Western Division. The acquisition of these development leases started from 2012, and I thank my predecessors for this great initiative. Mr. Speaker, sir, 3 out of 48 informal settlements, they are Dovu in Nandronga, Lendrosasa in Nandi, and Wainamdamu in Nausori, have had their upgrades completed in 2022. These settlements are now in the process for lot allocation. Additionally, 4 informal settlements are presently in construction phase, and these are in Sakoda in Nasino, comprised of 174 households, Tavela in Nandi, 68 households, and recently, Phil 4 of Lautoka, which is around 77 households, as well as Tori in Lautoka too, and then it has 59 households. Total estimated cost of upgrades in these settlements is around $20.1 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, completion of preparatory work indicates that topographic surveys, preparation of scheme plans, environmental impact assessments, geotech surveys, and engineering plans are completed, allowing the commencement of construction works. Mr. Speaker, sir, engineering plans for 5 informal settlements have recently been approved, and these are Lovu, Seaside, Nambare, and Delhi 7 informal settlements in Lautoka, Vale, Wanguya settlement in Ba, and Vunika in Lambasa. Additionally, Tambati and Wakanisla settlements in Nasino, Sasawira settlement in Nausori, and Nandonomai in Lami are earmarked to complete the engineering plans by end of this financial year. The total estimated cost toward the upgrade of these settlements is around $75 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, 4 settlements are currently in scheme plan phase, which is planned to be also completed in this financial year. First one is Tukutora in Lautoka, Vunivau A and Vunivau B in Labasa, and Gawia in Lami. There are 5 settlements that will be commencing preparation phase with consultants recently awarded. These includes River Road in Nasino, Webaudeva in Nasino, Vatia Settlement in Siberia, Dale Masumas in Lautoka, and Uli Sila in Singatoka. Hence, all these 25 settlements are earmarked to be formalized over the next 6 years, subject to budget allocation. Mr. Speaker, sir, the remaining 23 informal settlements out of the 48 are in preliminary phases to begin the preparatory works by 2026. The preliminary phase includes preparation of bidding documents for tender to select a consultant to undertake the preparation work. Furthermore, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry also pays the lease premiums and yearly rentals for the 44 development leases in Itoke. A total of $4.1 million in premium have been paid, in addition to $0.9 million in yearly rentals. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to also highlight the Ministry of Housing is also working on exploring options to include the improvement of housing conditions, such as ways in which existing homes can be renovated, construction of new housing units, and providing financial support to residents who are not eligible for home loan to upgrade their homes. Mr. Speaker, sir, our coalition government is ensuring that the formalizing work is not only completed after upgrading, but guarantee homes are also improved to meet the appropriate standards for families, and that is safe and resilient. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Supplementary question. I will offer it to Honorable Lenora first before Honorable Pramila hands to you, Honorable M.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Through you, I'd just like to ask the Honourable Minister if he can also update Parliament on any programs that complement the informal settlements upgrade program. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Minister, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, parallel to the informal settlement upgrading project that is undertaken by the Ministry, Ministry also has 2 ongoing partner pilot projects that will assist identify new approaches and best practices for the upgrade and development of informal settlements in Fiji. These 2 projects are the Fiji Resilient Informal Settlements, AFRIS, as well as the Revitalizing Informal Settlements and the Environment, commonly known as RISE. Mr. Speaker, I'm also thankful to our development partners, the New Zealand government, as well as Human Habitat, for supporting these projects. Mr. Speaker, RISE in Fiji involves 12 informal settlement sites. The project will be carried out in 2 phases, with 6 sites in each phase. The successful implementation of RISE program will enable approximately 3,600 Fijians living in these 12 project sites to recycle their wastewater, harvest rainwater, create green space for food cultivation, water cleansing, restore waterways to reduce vulnerability to flooding, and strengthen climate resilience. Mr. Speaker, sir, concurrently, the Fiji Resilient Informal Settlement Program is underway with 16 vulnerable families, informal settlement, across 4 urban areas. Lautoka, Singatoka, Nandi, and Lami have been identified. The initial capital works under this project is expected to commence around November to December this year. Mr. Speaker, upon completion of these projects, it's going to benefit a total of 8,231 families with improved resilience to climate change effects. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.